Hello, everybody. If you are watching me for the first time, my name is Peter. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, we discuss data analysis. I do video of Excel, Power BI, and Python. Anything that you need to know about data analysis. That is what we do on this channel. All right? So please join me. Today we are going to be looking at break-even analysis using Microsoft Excel. Let's start. What is break-even? Break-even is where our total cost equals the total revenue earned. So we can call this situation a no profit, no loss situation. So the break-even point is the point where our total cost equals the total revenue earned. So we can call this situation no profit, no loss situation. In graphics, the break-even point is where revenue, total, and total cost curves meet. All the business models estimate their revenue and expenditure for the year, quarter, month to know their break-even points in the business. This tutorial will show you how to calculate the break-even analysis in Excel. In economics, we call the break-even point the point of indifference. This analysis informs the management of the minimum revenue required to cover its expenses. So break-even is revenue minus total cost is equals zero. Break even is when revenue minus total cost equals zero. The calculation for break even point is different from industry to industry. So, for example, if the company is a product selling company, we will consider the number of units sold. On the other hand, if the company is a service based company, it will be a different strategy. So now we're going to be using Go Seek to achieve our break even analysis in Excel. No, so let's look at this. A company has prepared 58 electronic devices. It has incurred a fixed cost of $8 per unit and a variable cost of $6 per unit in its production. This company does not know what price they need to sell these 58 devices to achieve the break even point. So, what we are looking for now is the price at which this company need to sell this product to arrive at a break even point. So, let's look at this table. The number of units sold is 58. Variable cost per unit is 6, while the fixed cost per unit is 8. So we are multiplying the units produced by variable cost per unit on this hand, and on the other hand, we are multiplying the unit produced by the fixed cost per unit. So that gives us 812 dollars. So the selling price is zero. This is what we are looking for. We don't know it yet. And our revenue, we don't know it yet. But the profit, after removing the the revenue from the total cost, the profit should be zero. So this profit needs to be zero at the end of our goal seeking, while we are going to arrive at a particular selling price. So let's dive right into it. So let's go to data on our Excel, click on what if analysis and go seek. So our set cell is going to be our our profit cell. This is our set cell, while our to value will be zero. This set cell, the profit cell is going to be zero at the end of our goal seeking. While the by changing cell 9, so what by changing the selling price. So at the end of our goal seeking, we're going to have a figure here, a selling price figure. We're going to have it here. All right. And we're also going to have our revenue. So let's do it. I hope you get what I did. I went to data, click on what if analysis, and also click on go seek to arrive at this point. Our set sale is from the profit sale, while our to value is zero. We enter zero there, while by changing sale is going to be our selling price. So let's click on OK to run this. It's running. Yeah. So the selling price is going to be $14. At the end of our goal seeking, we arrive at $14. So we are going to sell our product $14. So that is it, guys. Hello, guys. In this example two, we're going to be looking at how to construct a break-even analysis on Excel table. So this example is saying that Mrs. Alisa is an entrepreneur who produces notebooks, and her costing model is as follows. Fixed cost equals $4,000, variable cost equals $8 per unit, and selling price equals $25 per unit. She wants us to she wants to know how many units she must produce to achieve the break-even point. So let us help Miss Alisa through our exact break-even analysis. So you need to prepare a table like this. So units, number of units, fixed, variable, total cost, revenue, and profit. So the fixed sale is you choose your fixed cost per unit, which is 4,000 naira. You make it absolute. While the variable is the number of units times variable cost per unit, number of units times multiply by variable cost per unit, make it absolute. So the total cost is the addition of fixed cost plus variable cost. The revenue is so we're going to multiply the number of units by its selling price per unit. So that's our revenue. So that's multiply number of units to be produced, number of units times selling price per unit, make it absolute, while our profit equals revenue minus total cost. So we need to drag this down. We need to drag it down. We need to drag the formula down, all the way down. We need to drag it all the way down. Okay. So now, number of units, we should start filling it from 100 to 300. So let's first start by 100. Then again, let's move to 130. Let's move to 160. Let's check 180. Check to 10. Let's check 230. Let's check 236. Let's see. I don't know. Let's check 260. I even need to check 260. So the break even point is, let's check 235. Sorry, 235. Mm, was our break even point? Let's check 234, 235.5, 235.5. The number of units, the number of units to be sold should be around 235 units to break even. So I hope you enjoy this little training. If you are not following me, please follow me. Please like this video and please share it with your friends. Thank you. My name is Peter. I'll see you next time.